In the dead of a moonless night, a small songbird embarks on a journey spanning thousands of miles, navigating with precision that baffles human understanding. Similarly profound is a dog's sudden whimpering and pacing before an earthquake rattles a quiet town, seemingly clued into an impending disaster completely imperceptible to its human companions. These events beg a tantalizing question. Do animals perceive realms beyond our human sensory boundaries? In exploring this enigma, we delve into a world where science meets the supernatural, pushing the boundaries of known biology and inviting a reconsideration of what we deem as reality. Each year, countless species embark on migrations that challenge the limits of what is possible in the natural world. Pigeons cross continents with pinpoint accuracy, while sea turtles traverse the ocean to return to the beach where they were born. What drives these incredible feats of navigation? Science points to a fascinating capability: geomagnetic perception. Animals, it appears, can detect the Earth's magnetic field, an unseen force that guides them through their global travels. Recent research reveals that birds, such as the European robin, possess a protein in their eyes called cryptochrome. This protein potentially allows them to literally see magnetic fields as patterns of light or dark, overlaying this visual information on their normal sight. This means the robin's migration is not just an instinctual response, but a calculated journey guided by a complex, multimodal sensory experience that is invisible to humans. This realization opens doors to profound questions about reality and perception. If animals can perceive magnetic fields, what else might they sense that we cannot? Are there additional layers of reality that are only perceivable through non-human senses? Insights from these studies challenge the very essence of how sensory data constructs our environment, hinting at unseen dimensions that continuously influence the living world. This realization opens doors to profound questions about reality and perception. If animals can perceive magnetic fields, what else might they sense that we cannot? Are there additional layers of reality that are only perceivable through non-human senses? Insights from these studies challenge the very essence of how sensory data constructs our environment, hinting at unseen dimensions that continuously influence the living world. Long before the first seismic waves of an earthquake hit, animals from dogs to fish have been reported to behave in noticeably erratic ways. While anecdotes of such behavior abound, scientific investigations have begun to peel back the layers of this mystery, suggesting that some animals may indeed have the ability to detect imminent natural disasters. Could this be an evolutionary adaptation? An extra sense that allows them to react to cues undetected by human senses? The phenomenon is not limited to mere folklore. For instance, researchers in Japan have documented erratic behavior in fish related to changes in the ionosphere, conditions influenced by seismic activity that occur before earthquakes. Similarly, dogs' heightened olfactory senses might allow them to smell gases released by fracturing rocks. These behaviors suggest a sensory interaction with a layer of reality that remains largely invisible and unquantifiable to humans. Understanding these capacities is not just academic, it bears real-world implications. If further validated, these animal behaviors can be harnessed for disaster preparedness, potentially saving lives by providing early warnings of earthquakes or tsunamis. This investigation into animal perception not only broadens our understanding of the Earth and its processes, but also enhances our appreciation of animal intelligence and the complexity of life on this planet. Through exploring the possibly mystic realms of animal perception, from geomagnetic navigation to predicting natural disasters, we realize two profound truths. First, that the palette of reality is far broader than the narrow spectrum of human experience suggests. And second, that in this vast and intricately connected web of life, animals may be perceiving layers of existence that science is only beginning to fathom. As we continue to thrive on the same planet, sharing it with myriad forms of life, these insights not only deepen our understanding of nature, but also humbly remind us of the limits of our human senses. The unseen realms, though shrouded in mystery and skepticism, beckon with the promise of untold stories about the world we live in and the creatures we share it with.